Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use multiple Facebook accounts. So, if you have more than one Facebook account, you can switch between them without logging out every time. So, this makes it easier to manage personal and work accounts or separate profiles. So, to start, go to Facebook and sign in to your account first. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Now, in here, select See All Profiles or Switch Accounts if it's available. So, click on that. Next, click Log in to another account and sign in with your second Facebook account. Now, if you can't find your profile or your account, you can go back and down here, click Log Out. Now, at the bottom, select Use Another Profile. You can then enter your email or mobile number and your password. Then click Login to log in into that account. So once logged in, you can now switch between save accounts from the account menu. So you can keep each account secured with a strong unique password. You can turn on two-factor authentication for added security. Make sure each account follows Facebook's community standards. So, Facebook generally expects people to maintain a single personal account under the real identity, while additional identities are better managed through features like additional profiles or pages where available. So, using the account switcher is the fastest way to manage multiple saved accounts without logging in and out each time. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.